So here are the list of ingredients you will need. So the first thing to do is to select the peanuts because it might contain some stones, sands, or some bad ones actually. After selecting the good ones, then it's time to salt the peanuts. Just pour it into a bowl. Dissolve the salt, the half teaspoon of salt with some water. Pour it inside and mix thoroughly. So after mixing it in, it's now time to sun dry it. You can as well air dry it, but please don't oven dry because it will roast in the oven. So you pour into a tray and allow to dry. I'll be leaving mine under the sun to dry. So here is where I kept it to dry under the sun. As you can see, it's drying up already. I'll leave it for some few minutes because the sun is really intense. And finally, the peanuts have dried so well. It's been sitting in here for about 30 minutes and it's well dried. Now it's time to roast it. Pour in the 2 cups of salt into a hot pan, and the reason why I'll be using salt, back in the days we used sand, but cleaning it up is a big problem, so I'll be using salt, and the reason is for even distribution of heat. So if you use salt, you will have your peanuts evenly roasted, but if you pour directly into the pan, you will have some parts being burnt and uneven roasting, so we wouldn't want that. Allow the salt to heat up for some minutes and pour in your peanuts in batches, and please roast this on a very low heat so that it won't burn. Please don't forget to stir continuously, because if you leave it, it's going to burn. The salt is very hot already and it's retaining all the heat inside, so you should stir so as for those that are at the bottom to come up and roast evenly. So this is how to know when it's ready. Gently pick one of the peanuts and try removing the back. If it's come off easily, then it's ready and time for you to bring it out. You can use a frying spoon or a stainless sieve for this. Trust me, it's ready when you can remove the back, and you should sieve it out immediately because it continues to roast even after you sieve it out of the pan. So it's better you sieve it immediately. If you leave it for 1 more minute, it's going to burn so bad and you wouldn't want that. Repeat the same process with the rest of the peanuts. So as you can see, the second batch is roasting perfectly, and don't forget, please always stir it, continuously stir, and as you're stirring, you check when it's ready. I'm checking for the second batch, and yeah, it's ready. Can you spot that golden brown color? It's ready, and it's now time to sieve it out. While sieving it out, you should try as much as possible to be very fast, because while you're sieving, the ones that are still inside the salt are roasting as well. So it's better you do it as fast as possible. You can as well use a stainless sieve to pour all inside and sieve it very fast to avoid the ones inside getting burnt. Make sure to remove all the peanuts, because some might be hiding inside the salt. Some stubborn ones will just hide inside, so make sure you remove every bit of it. So this is what I have after roasting the peanuts. You can go ahead and remove the back if you wish, and to store it, you store in an airtight container and keep in your refrigerator, or you can leave in your shelf, and it can last as long as you want it to last for you. So if you've watched up to this moment and did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up and share the video as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.